Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kendra and today I am continuing my Disney Villains If They Had Children series. And the next villain is Cruella Deville. It's pretty, I know it's, shocking. I'm doing it with this look. But anyways, I am drawing inspiration for the makeup from Hayden Williams' drawing that he did of Cruella Deville. And yeah, so I'm gonna go put this wig on and then we will get into doing the makeup. Okay, so now that we have our wig on, I'm going to be going in with the Bobbi Brown Vitamin Enriched Face Base, followed by the Tatcha Liquid Silk Canvas. Okay, and for foundation and concealer, I'm going to be using the Anastasia Luminous Foundation and the Studio Skin from Smashbox. Okay, and then we're going to take the Anastasia Cream Contour Palette in Light. And then we're just going to take the Anastasia setting powder. Okay, then on the rest of the face, I'm going to take a little bit of the Chanel setting powder. Okay, so now I'm gonna move on to eyes and I'm gonna leave blush and highlight until the end. So for eyebrows, we want them to be a lot more defined than we usually do. So I'm gonna take the Granite Dip Brow from Anastasia. All right, I think that is about as good as those are gonna get. So moving on to the eyes. Today I'm going to be going into the Norvina Pro Pigment palettes in volume 3 and probably dipping a little bit into volume 2 as well. Okay, now I'm going to cut my crease and I'm just going to use the eye primer from Anastasia. And I'm just lightly setting it with a lighter green. Afterwards, I'm going to go in and with the green glitter on top, so it doesn't have to be perfect. Okay, and then I'm going to take this Makeup Forever Starlit Glitter in S111. It's so sparkly. Okay. I'm really loving this. Okay, moving on. Moving on. Okay, I am going to take the KVD Beauty Tattoo Liner, and we are going to do a huge wing. I can't get over this. Okay, sorry. I'm distracted. Alright, I'm going to do the other eye and put on some lashes, and I'll be right back. Okay, so liner is done, lashes are on. I used, I'm pretty sure they're Batty Bee lashes. I don't remember what style they are, but they're the winged ones, and they're super fluffy, and I really like them. So now I'm just going to brush away all of the powder. Go over top of it with a little bit of the MAC Extra Dimension blush in Rosy Cheeks. Okay, I'm gonna do the lower lash line quickly with the same green that we used up top. And for highlight, I'm going to take Santorini from Kylie Cosmetics. Okay, and for lips, I'm going to use the Fenty Beauty Stunning Lip Paint in Uncensored. I love this red so much. Okay, I am going to go get changed. fix my hair a little bit and put some mascara on, and I'll be back for the final look. Alright, so this is the final look. I am seriously so in love with wigs. Oh goodness. So I finished it off with some mascara, and I changed into this little fringe moment from Fashion Nova, which I have a video coming very soon with a try on haul. I've never ordered anything from Fashion Nova. So a friend of mine ordered a bunch of stuff, so a video coming soon for that. But this is one of the pieces that I got, and I love it so much. And I figured Cruella Deville's daughter could be like a little bit of like a party girl kind of vibe. Oh, I low-key wish I had this hair every day. I'm way too into this. Okay, anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. If you want to check out my Instagram, it is at Kendra Schuster. Make sure to subscribe to my channel. And yeah, I have a lot of videos coming in the next couple of weeks. Bunch of stuff came in. The Selena and Matt collection came in, so that's gonna be coming after this video. And yeah, so stay tuned for all of those videos. Let me know down in the comments below what you guys want to see and different looks that you think I should do, and if you think I should do Hades or the Evil Queen next for Disney Villans children. Let me know down below. I'm just gonna continue to look at myself for a while. Oh, this is too good. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!